To redesign your staff meetings to get the most out of your team. Let's take a 90-minute staff meeting and design it this way instead. Let's spend the first 15 minutes as optional social time. People who want to show up, engage, grab some coffee, grab a donut, share pictures of their kids, talk about their weekend baseball games, can spend that first 15 minutes, but 15 minutes after the hour, everything starts in earnest. The meeting begins very quickly, and you spend 30 minutes talking about the things that are important. You've already shared the basic updates in a doc, doing some sort of asynchronous work, and now you take that rest of that time after you've had those conversations and you block it for the team to be in the same room with their computers with nothing on the agenda. That way, I can go to a peer and say, hey, do you got 5 minutes? Talk to someone else, hey, can we talk for 10? And use that team time together to get rid of all of the things that would otherwise magically appear on your calendar as hour-long meeting invitations.